Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC U1292, indicates a communication failure between the left power sliding door control unit and the rear microcomputer integrated control unit, MICU. The rear MICU is pivotal as it manages various functionalities within the vehicle's electrical system, including power doors. The left power sliding door control unit is located near the left sliding door of the Honda Odyssey. Communication issues can lead to malfunctions in the door operation. Electrical signal pathways are crucial, and loss of communication may stem from several causes, including wiring issues or component failures. It's essential to address this DTC promptly to ensure the optimal performance of the sliding door system. The left power sliding door control unit is a critical component that allows for the electronic operations of the left sliding door. It communicates with the rear MICU, which is integral to the vehicle's electrical system operations. The rear MICU is typically located in the rear compartment, overseeing the power functions of various electrical components. If the command transmission from the left power sliding door control unit fails, the rear MICU will not receive the necessary inputs to function correctly. Both units must communicate effectively for optimal door function. Hence, loss of communication can impede the sliding door's operational capabilities. Proper connectivity ensures that control signals are sent and received without interruptions. Potential causes for DTC U1292 include poor connections and damaged wiring, which can disrupt the communication signal. Loose or corroded connectors can lead to intermittent signals, resulting in the loss of communication. Additionally, a malfunctioning left power sliding door control unit or rear MICU can cause this error. These components may suffer from internal issues, making it impossible for them to communicate effectively. It's crucial to check the wiring harness and connectors thoroughly before concluding a component failure, as wiring damages are often the root cause. Understanding these variables can help pinpoint the issue quickly and precisely. Symptoms associated with DTC U1292 typically manifest as malfunctions with the left power sliding door. You may notice that the door may not open or close properly, signifying a breakdown in the communication between the control unit and the MICU. Moreover, the error code U1292 will be displayed on the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, allowing technicians to identify the specific issue. In some cases, the door might remain unresponsive to any commands from the remote or interior controls, indicating a loss of electrical connectivity. Each of these symptoms indicates that there is a failure in communication that needs immediate attention for a safe driving experience. Proper diagnosis is vital to ensure that the sliding door operates as intended. The first step in addressing DTC U1292 is to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Once the codes are cleared, the next action is to turn the ignition switch to the lock position, followed by turning it back to the on position. This reset is essential as it enables the system to refresh and prepare for new diagnostic checks. After these actions, it is crucial to wait for at least 6 seconds. These initial steps help reset the communication systems in the vehicle, enabling a re-evaluation of the error code. After taking these steps, it's time to check if the DTC U1292 reappears in the system, guiding further troubleshooting measures. After performing the initial steps, the next action is checking for DTCs again using the HDS. This process assesses whether the DTC U1292 has returned. If the code is detected, this means the problem is persistent. warranting further investigation. Conversely, if the DTC is not indicated, it suggests that the system might temporarily be functioning correctly. This can indicate an intermittent failure, possibly due to loose connections or momentary glitches in the electrical system. If the system shows no current faults, it is advisable to check for any potential loose or poor connections between the left power sliding door control unit and the rear MICU, as this can lead to intermittent issues. This methodical approach ensures that even transient issues are captured effectively. The next troubleshooting step involves navigating to the Body Electrical System Select menu on the HDS, specifically selecting the B-CAN control unit's information. This selection allows you to determine if the rear junction unit is properly detected. The B-CAN, Body Controller Area Network, is a communication network in the vehicle that connects various body control units. If the rear junction unit is detected, it indicates that the communication lines are functional, and the issue might lie elsewhere. Alternatively, if the unit is not detected, this suggests a breakdown in communication that requires immediate attention. This step is crucial in verifying the electrical pathway's integrity before moving forward. If the rear junction unit is not detected, the next troubleshooting step is to measure the voltage between body ground and the rear fuse box connector B36P terminals number 4 and number 29 individually. This step checks for the presence of battery voltage at these terminals. Establishing a good voltage level is critical to ensure that the electrical connections are intact. If there is battery voltage present at these points, it indicates that power is reaching the rear connections, allowing you to move forward in the diagnostic process. Conversely, if there is no voltage detected, it necessitates further investigation into the wiring and connections leading to the rear components, as it could signify a wiring issue. A thorough understanding of this measurement can offer insights into the overall health of the electrical system. After measuring voltage, if the previous step indicated no battery voltage, the next step is to turn the ignition switch to the lock position and examine the fuses. You need to specifically check the number B16 10-amp fuse located in the underhood fuse relay box and the number C10 15-amp fuse located in the driver's underhood fuse relay box. This is essential to ensure that all safety systems are operational. If both fuses are functional and intact, it suggests there's either an open circuit or high resistance in the associated wire circuits. Should you discover that either of the fuses is blown, their replacement will be necessary and should lead to further checks for shorts or faults in the wiring. Proper management of fuses is critical to ensure that the electrical system functions correctly. If both fuses are found to be intact, but communication issues persist, the next step is to repair any open circuits or high resistance issues in the circuits linked to the number B16 10 kilowatts and/or number C10 15 kilowatts fuses. High resistance and open circuits can introduce significant communication failures. Identifying where the fault lies requires a meticulous inspection of the wiring harness, connectors, and any potential frays or corrosion that could impede functionality. Proper repairs will help restore electrical integrity and ensure effective communication between components. It is essential that the repairs are tested to confirm that the circuit is operating effectively once again, which subsequently will resolve the DTC U1292. Once all necessary repairs have been made, the final step is to verify the repairs by testing the functionality of the left power sliding door. This operational check will confirm if the communication with the rear MICU has been successfully restored. After ensuring that the component operates smoothly, It is important to clear any DTCs again using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. It is also advised to monitor the system for any reoccurrence of the error code. If the DTC reappears, further investigation may be required to ensure that all connections are intact and that no other underlying issues are present. This final verification is critical to ensure that the vehicle is returned to operational condition without lingering faults. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in mitigating issues such as DTC U1292 in the future. Regularly checking the connections associated with the sliding door control unit and rear MICU can prevent communication failures over time. Additionally, incorporating inspections of all fuses related to the power functions of the vehicle can further safeguard against electrical issues. It is also recommended to keep an eye on the condition of wiring, documenting any signs of wear or exposure. By establishing a maintenance routine, owners can decrease the chances of malfunctioning components and ensure optimal performance of the vehicle's electrical systems. This proactive approach can save time and costs related to future repairs. In conclusion, understanding the components related to DTC U1292, including the left power sliding door control unit and the rear MICU, is essential for effective troubleshooting. By following systematic steps from code clearing to voltage measurements and fuse inspections, one can effectively pinpoint and resolve communication failures. Furthermore, it is crucial to incorporate regular maintenance practices to prevent the reoccurrence of such issues. Timely and thorough inspections ensure the longevity of the vehicle systems and contribute to a safer driving experience. Addressing these issues promptly helps maintain vehicle functionality and owner satisfaction over time. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.